So I will install in one of the servers the Active Directory and DNS server, and the name will be same, latrobe.local. And in the another server, that will be DHCP and web development deployment services, I will make this server as a member of this domain, and I will install DHCP server, which will provide the IP address for the PC. So this will provide the IP address, and once the PC gets the IP address, after that it will download the operating system from here. But according to today's PC, today's all the PCs, you will get the operating system included. So in case if you do not have any operating system, so if you remove the operating system, you will save a lot of money. Okay. So because the operating systems comes with the license, so if you remove the operating system from the vendor, you will save money almost like $120 at least. So you can reduce the budget. So it depends on you. So if you are including the operating system, this one is not required, but you do install this one just for your backup. All right. So whenever the DHCP server is installed, the machine does not have any operating system. So for those machine, it will give IP address. Then again, this will provide the operating system, and it will automatically, once you provide the administrator credentials, it will automatically, so once you provide the administrator credentials, it will automatically install Windows 10. So we will see how this will work now. So I will go to my lab. So I installed two of the servers. One will be ADDNS. So everything is installed in this one. It's like only fresh install of Windows Server. Nothing has been, no features or roles have been assigned to this server yet.
Okay.
I've also assigned the IP address. I will go ahead and I will check it. What is the IP address? I think it should be 5. Yeah, it's 5, and I will also turn on this one. I think it should be 6. So all right, I will take the number 5. I'm just pinging the PC.
It's asking for download.
The firewall is on. Okay. Right, so I will go ahead and I will check for this server also. I think firewall and remote desktop is not enabled. So Address is 200.0.0.6 and it's done. Static IP address. So turn off this firewall for now. And I will allow the remote desktop. Done. All good. So now this is my first server, that is Active Directory and domain services. So I will go to add roles and features normally, what we have done. And I will just select Active Directory, domain services and DNS services. And I will add those features and I will go with the default features. I'm able to ping my another server also from here.
You are installing this roles and features in ADDNS, right? Active Directory, right?
Active Directory roles, it's a services Active Directory and DNS server.
Okay.
So once you install that one, you will provide the domain name. After that, it will sign out and it will ask you to log in with that domain name administrator.
Okay.
So instead of normally now, if you log in, it's only administrator. So next time after installing this domain, you have to log in with administrator at latrobe.local or something like that. I'll go to my domain controller and I will say I want to promote the server and it's a new domain. So it's a latrobe.local. You can give .com, .org, anything, but I'm giving local so that it will be good testing environment. And I will provide the password. And what are the password you're providing, please give it in your files, PDF files or Word file document.
Yeah, we'll save them in the document.
Yeah. So here I am just providing any random here password, but whenever you're providing the password, you have to give it mention in your document also, stating that this is the administrator and this is the password of that administrator. Because here this is just like a testing environment, that should be fine. So now it will check for the prerequisite. If everything goes fine, it will install the Active Directory. Now I will click on install. So now you're about to sign out. So it will sign out and it will install those features. And we should lose our connection. Yep, connection gone.
Still they're asking
To
so much
install
stuff.
the, what do we say, like to install the Windows Server on your
Yep.
workstation, you have to click on New Virtual Machine, or if you go on
Okay.
File, New Virtual Machine. Okay, so
Okay.
select the typical one. Do not select Advanced. It's nothing but
Okay.
still typical. Click on
Okay.
Next. So now select the installer disk and click on Browse,
Okay.
and you should download the Windows Server 2019 or 16, whatever you're preferring, and go to that location. So for my, I'm selecting 2016 one. So click on Open, click on Next, and you have to give your full name, like what is your PC
Yeah.
name? Click on Next,
Okay.
give the name. This name will be displayed here. So I will also give test here. And whenever you give the test here, a new folder will be created. Don't worry about it. And the hard disk, I am giving like 30 GB.
Okay.
I think that should be enough. So
Yep.
for now, I will customize the hardware because I need to select the RAM as a 4 GB and the processors are 2. But the network adapter, I have created a customized one. So I will show you how to create that customized one also. Click close. And I will not select here, power on.
Okay. Power on. Okay.
So now how to create a adapter. So I will go on edit and I will click on virtual network editor.
Okay.
So here you have the option add an adapter. Click on add an adapter. It will show if it's like I am having 0, 1, 2. So it's showing 3.
Yep.
I will select
Yeah.
OK.
Okay.
So it will create a new adapter, but the address is this one. But my address is 200.
Okay.
Your address is 200.0.0.0. So you should give this address
So we can.
and apply.
So
And
yeah. Should we give also 200, or like we can give any?
you can give any address, but you need 200, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So you have to give 200. It's up to you. So I've already created this VNet2 as a 200. So I will remove this 3.1, and you can see that 200.0.0 has been created.
Oh, okay.
So that's the reason I just modified that one to adapter to that VMnet2, the one which I have created. And select the floppy disk because you have to remove the floppy. Click on do not connect on power on. Otherwise it will give you any issues while installing. After that, just click on power on the virtual machine and it will power on. You see, automatically it will install the Windows now server. So whenever you are installing on VMware, these are the thing steps, and the real, if you install on your real server also, if that's also the same steps. So click on
Same
like
steps.
English with Australia.
Okay.
Click on next and install now. And this step is very crucial because here you have to select the desktop version.
Okay.
One you will be having the core version, and another one you will be having the desktop version. So in core version, you won't find anything except this command prompt.
Okay.
So select the desktop experience, standard evolutions, desktop experience. Click on next. And I am installing this one in workstation. So that's why I will select the custom one. So in
Okay.
real life, when I install the Windows Server, I will select this one because it will be connected to internet. I want the upgraded one.
Okay. Okay.
So now
Got
we are
it.
installing in the workstation. There is
In
no
the
internet
custom.
connection. So that's why I will select custom, and I have created 30 GB of hard disk. I will select that hard disk and I will say next, and it will start installing now.
Okay.
So everything, the installation process will be done after this. You see here.
It's still loading.
Yes, that's a VMware problem. That's what I'm saying. So once this one is finished installation, then it will come that. So this page will be coming up, screenshot, but not this one. Before this one, it will ask for you the password, administrator password.
Okay.
Yeah, we know that. We know this next step.
Just to provide you the screenshot, I will go ahead with that one's installation.
Okay.
And I will provide you that one too. So first you have to provide the how you are going to install the servers in all 5 different servers. In Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, WDS, and Certificate Authority, Enterprise Certificate Authority. So these 4 servers, this is how we gonna install the servers. Installation process is the same for all servers. So you have to state this one. Then again, you have to come back to this Active Directory. So now the server will restart and it will ask you for the administrator password.
No, it's not working. It's better we go.
So when you're providing the installation process, don't forget to provide this page, please. That's it.
Done. It's better to go with this one. Close that one.